Here's another example of using the ideal gas law. So the question says, what volume will 2.08 moles of H2 occupy when the pressure is 1,120 millimeters of mercury and the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius? So just a reminder, that's the formula we're going to use. The first thing I'm going to do is list all of my variables and convert the units accordingly. So we're going to start with P, B, N, R, and T. So pressure, we are given 1,120 millimeters of mercury. Now, if you remember, the R value that we are going to use has to have the units ATM for pressure. So I'm going to have to convert millimeters of mercury to pressure. So what that looks like, we have 1,120 millimeters of mercury. I'm going to make my T chart. Remember, there are 760 millimeters of mercury in 1 ATM. Okay, so when I put that in my calculator, 1,120 divided by 760, I'm going to round that, so 1.47 ATM. Okay, the next one is volume. The question says what volume, so I know that that's what I'm solving for. I'm going to solve for V. N is moles, so 2.08 moles. I don't have to convert that. My R value is 0.0821 liters times ATMs over moles times Kelvin. And then my temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, so 33 degrees Celsius. And if you remember, we have to convert Celsius to Kelvin because of what's in my R value. So we add 273. So 33 plus 273 is 306 Kelvin. Okay, perfect. So I have all of my variables listed. Now all I have to do is rearrange my formula and plug in my numbers. So the way that I'm going to do that, first of all, I'm solving for V, so I want to get V by itself, and so that means I have to divide P to the other side. Okay, so P is going to cancel out, so I'm left with V is equal to nRT over P. Okay, so let's plug some numbers in. So V is equal to N, which is 2.08 moles, R, which is 0.0821 liters ATMs over moles Kelvin. T is temperature, which is 306 Kelvin. I'm going to divide all of that by P, which we converted to ATM, so 1.47 ATM. And just to double check, make sure everything's good, R is in liters. I have liters for my answer. ATM, I have ATM. Moles, I have moles, and K, I have K here for Kelvin. Okay, so now all I have to do is plug these numbers in and solve. So 2.08 times 0.0821 times 306 equals divided by 1.47. And so I'm going to round this, so 35.55 liters is my answer.